Hi, my name is Matt Hill. Today's date is November 13th, 2024. We'll be filming a video source inspection. Since our videos are uploaded to the web, we like to keep our customers' privacy, so this customer is located in the US and the PO number ends in 70040. Go ahead and get this started and then we will go over everything. All right, substrates are dry, warm to the touch, looking good. All right. Today we are reviewing a 270S SRD. This SRD came in for a rotor slipping, so we went ahead and we had to repair the key on the rotor and then make sure that got in there nice and snug. It did have a refurbishment as well. Any refurbishments that come through Sitek will be going through the same extensive refurbishment process. First, we break down the unit to the component level, and then we check and make sure that all of them are working correctly, clean and electropolish all metal parts, replace all consumables such as the seal, windows, N2 filter, tubing, etc. And then also, once that is done, we go into our dry quality control. This is where we'll build the unit up after all components have been tested without facilities being installed. Then we will add the facilities in its wet quality control, and then we will test for full functionality before moving into the final process that you see here. And then once it gets into the final process, then we will run 50 different multiple recipes and process types to ensure that once this gets back, it's ready for a plug and play back into your fab. Right now we are running a typical spin rinse dryer process. The first step was the rinse cycle, where it will rinse all any wanted particles off of the substrate, followed by a purge cycle that will purge any unwanted DI lines, any unwanted DI water out of the lines. Then where we see right now, it'll go into heat 1, where the RPM will speed up dramatically, allowing the force to fling any large water particles off of the substrates. After this step, it'll go into its dry 2, where the RPM will slow down and then the heating elements will kick on, allowing that to dry any particles that are still on the substrates. Take a look at this, looking good. Low to no vibration. All right. We do have a slick device controller that is hooked up to this unit. This is our Sitek slick device controller, where it is a touchscreen controller. It also has up to 20 recipes to be saved, into saver processes, and then also preventive maintenance capabilities. On top of us coming up with our own controller, we also redesigned or re-engineered the resistivity probe. Since the Foxborough probe had been discontinued, we re-engineered our version that's a plug and play to the original resistivity probe, but that way it decreases our lead time and makes it easier to provide for the end user. See, we're going to dry 2 right now. Everything's been running smoothly. All right, and then besides the refurbishment processes that we also offer any other parts and services to keep your SRDs up and running. Any motor repairs, controller repairs, LC4 motor controller repairs, also any of those brand new solenoid valves, heater cartridges, resistivity probes if you use them, etc. Looks like we have a few minutes left on this, so I'm going to take a step back and then I'll come in towards the end of the process to finish it up. Looks like looking good. RSP fired. Okay, take a look. All right. Substrates are dry. Cassette's warm to the touch. Put this back in there. All right, so we've ran a successful process, and that will conclude our video source inspection for today. If you have any questions, you can reach us at sales@sitekprocess.com, or you can give me a call at 916-975-2203. Thank you, and hope you have a good day.